Located in the Thrissur district of Kerala, Athirapally Waterfalls marks the entrance to the Sholayar Ranges and is formed by the Chalakudy River. The journey, especially from Chalakudy to Athirapally Falls, passes through a landscape of winding roads and lush green trees. The ride is a treat, especially for bikers. A lot of movies has been filmed in this place. The most famous ones are Dil Se, Madras Cafe, Bahubali, and the list includes plenty of Hollywood movies as well. On the way, you'll find a couple of checkpoints where they'll ask your ID and register your entry. The entry fee is 40 rupees, still camera charges are 50, and for video camera you may have to pay some 300. Visiting time is 8:30 am to 5 pm, but make sure you reach before 3 pm as you won't get enough time to explore the place. At the entrance, they'll check your tickets and bags, and if you are carrying food or bottle, it would be a wise decision to keep it inside a bag, as there is high chances that the monkeys will be accompanying you throughout. From the entrance, there is a paved path through the thick bamboo clusters that will lead you to the top part of the waterfall. You can see the beautiful Chalakudy River plunging here as Athirapally Falls. During monsoon, you cannot get this close to the river as it flows dreadfully. From here, the downhill trek to the base of the waterfall starts. It's an easy but steep hike of 20 minutes, but things will definitely get a bit difficult during monsoon. For nature lovers who are okay with a little bit of slips and falls, must visit during monsoon, and for others, the best time would be September to January. No wonder it is referred as the Niagara Falls of India. This 80 feet high and 330 feet wide marvel is the largest waterfall in Kerala. I travelled here during the month of December. I could only imagine during monsoon how ferociously it would flow and how much greener the whole ambience would be. If you are planning to visit, it would be great if you combine Athirapally with Varchal Falls and Tumbur Muri Dam. It would be a perfect one-day outing. So that's all about the Athirapally trip. Hopefully see you in the next video as well. Bye bye.